Hi guys, this video was supposed to be for next week, but the video for this week, or anyways, I'm putting up something different. Today I'm doing a Goodwill and Salvation Army haul. Now is the best time to get out to get fall clothing because they're putting everything out for fall. So I picked up some more flannels, but I will show you what I picked up and show you the good prices we got them. But picked up some DVDs for my granddaughters and just a cute little metal orb. It's got that at Salvation Army. And then this cute set right here. It's black and it's got the florals, and it's, I haven't looked at the online, but it's JHW and Son, Tunstall, England. So, and it does have serial numbers, and it's a 3-piece set, and it was $3.75. Hold on, $3.75, and it was half off. So that's what, $1.80, something like that. No, $1.50, 75, yeah, $1.90 for that. So, and then for Christmas, I'm gonna do some like red florals and then some greenery. So that'll be cute little Christmas display. This is just a styrofoam pumpkin that I'm just going to do a DIY, like a dupe. And this right here is going to be a dupe. Oh my gosh, you wait and see. I watched a gal yesterday. I'll link her video. But yeah, I don't want to give away what it's a dupe for, but it's not for Halloween. It's just a cauldron. Paid $3.75 for it, and wait till you see what it ends up looking like when I'm done. I will do some of when I'm doing it. So, and what the inspiration piece is. And then I just got some fall jeans. This really cute, almost like wool dress with some funky kind of boho colors on there. And then just a little green Old Navy dress, and then a, I don't know, whitewash. Just a little, like a t-shirt dress almost. Let's see. Yeah, just like a t-shirt dress that I can wear with leggings and boots. And let's see. This blouse, let's see. I don't know, Rachel Roy, I have no idea. But I bought that to go with these jeans. And again, some boots. And then this is an American Eagle classic fit. And it's the soft, what's that? Amazing soft. Yeah. So, and it was, what, $10, but American Eagle, so, but it's super soft. And then this one is Dismaurice's. It's got the fall colors. And then this is Universal Thread. I also bought this. It's got kind of a gathered waist. So I bought it a little bit bigger, just so that the gathered waist wasn't so tight. Just wanted it kind of loose fitting to wear with those jeans also. And then just a sports bra. So yeah, pretty good haul today. It was fun to see, but I literally just watched the video on the girl. I think she posted it last week. Week or week before. Like I said, I will link it down below on what she did for her inspiration piece. She used just a piece of glassware that had the little handles coming out the top. This is actually the same size. I think it might be even bigger than the inspiration piece, but wait till I show you what that is. So yeah, all in all, pretty nice little haul. Like I said, get to your thrift stores for some good fall clothing. Have a great day and stay tuned. Always be kind and do what makes you happy.